Solving 20% of 60% of 250. Let's look at 7 effective methods. Method 1. Step by step breakdown. We begin by finding 60% of 250 and then we take 20% of that result. As we know, the percentage formula is part divided by whole is equal to x divided by 100, where x is the percent. Here 60% means 60 divided by 100, which is 0.6, and the whole number is 250. We want to find the part. Part is equal to 0.6 times 250, which is 150. Now we find 20% of 150, the value we got in step 1. 20% is 0.2 and the whole number is 150. Multiplying them gives 30. So 30 is our answer. Method 2. Mental math method. First, we find 60% of 250. Here 100% is equal to 250. 10% is equal to 25. So 60% is 25 times 6, which is 150. Now we find 20% of 150. 100% is 150. 10% is 15. So 20% is 15 times 2, which is 30. So our answer is 30. Method 3. Decimal method. This is the most commonly used method. Convert percents to decimals. 20% means 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. 60% means 60 divided by 100, which is 0.6. Now we multiply everything together. 0.2 times 0.6 times 250, which equals 30. Method 4. Fraction method. Convert percents to fractions. 20% is 20 divided by 100, which becomes 1/5. 60% is 60 divided by 100, which becomes 3/5. Now multiply 1/5 times 3/5 times 250. This becomes 3/25 multiplied by 250, which simplifies to 3 times 10, and that equals 30. So our answer is 30. Method 5. Percent of percent method. Step 1. Find 20% of 60%. 20% times 60% is 0.2 times 0.6, which equals 0.12 or 12%. Step 2. Apply 12% to 250. 0.12 times 250 equals 30. Method 6. Bar model or visual method. Step 1. Find 60% of 250 using a bar model. We divide the bar into 10 segments. All 10 segments together represent 250. So each segment has a value of 25. The entire bar represents 100% and each segment represents 10%. Therefore, 6 segments represent 60%. 6 segments of 25 each give 150. Step 2. Now we need to find 20% of 150. Again, we use a bar divided into 10 segments. The bar represents 150. So each segment is worth 15. Each segment represents 10%. So 2 segments represent 20%. 2 segments of 15 each give 30. So 20% of 150 is 30. Method 7. Multiplier chain method. In this method, convert each percent to a multiplier. 20% becomes 0.2. 60% becomes 0.6. The multiplier chain method is a more advanced approach. Now multiply all at once. 250 times 0.6 times 0.2 is equal to 30. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, like and subscribe.